All right, so we are following on from the previous lab demo. That was activity 9-4 in the book. Slightly different instructions here in MindTap. We're moving on to 9-5. You may have noticed that we skipped 9-2 and 9-3. 9-2 is installing Active Directory. You should already know how to do that. I think I also, however, made a demo video about that, probably in a previous chapter. And then 9-3 is installing a member server and adding it to your domain. I did that. But you don't need to do that because it's already done for you. We have our DC, plab DC01. We have our member server app01. We have our other member server, vCenter. What we're going to do now is use this Horizon console here on our app server, member app server, to talk to the vCenter server running on plab vC01. So we're going to double click this admin console. And yes, there's a problem with the certificate. Continue. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Aha. Actually, no. Ooh, that was not what I wanted to do. Never mind. Sorry, that was the wrong thing. Hold on. Oh, sorry. So, last time, I double-clicked this a minute ago, and it opened up Horizon inside of IE. Horizon, this version of Horizon needs Flash. So let's see what it's going to do. Yes, this is better. I thought the recording was running. In any case, I had to do Firefox. It's not asking me whether this thing wants to be the default browser right now, but you can do that. Let's see. More. No. Help. Okay, never mind. Forget that. Anywho, I fired up Firefox. It asked me if I wanted it to be it asked me if it could be the default browser. I said yes, and I unclicked the ask me every time you start up. Obviously, you don't want to do that every time you start up. That's annoying. So, again, I have the cert error I had a few seconds ago. So I'm going to go to Advanced. Yeah, it sees the self-signed cert. It doesn't like that. Accept risk and continue. Click Run Adobe Flash. Allow. Give it a minute. This is one of the things that's good about the newer versions of VMware being HTML5 based. We don't have to fuss with this Flash nonsense. Let me refresh that. Actually, you know what? I may have to add this to my list. Click. Allow. Let me see if I need to go to my settings. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Options. Security. Let me check on Flash right quick. Let's see. Firefox. Certificates. Okay. Okay, hold on. Extensions and themes. Maybe. Okay, extensions. Okay, no, plugins. Flash. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Well, anyway, we'll keep going. This is chasing a rabbit. My apologies. Okay. So what we're going to do is root. Administrator. And log in. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I typed it wrong the first time. So what we have here is our admin page. This is very much the look and feel of modern web-based vSphere and vCenter. Let's see. So let's see. View configuration heading and licensing and usage. Click Edit License. Use it to enter a license. Cancel. Okay, so go to the servers link. What we're going to do is add a server. No, we've got nothing here. We're going to add a vCenter server, which is going to be, its address is going to be 192.168.0.2. Its password is going to be administrator at vSphere.local. And description is, I'm going to skip. Okay, my name. And we've got some limits here, some settings. It's going to use port 443, secure HTTP, concurrent views, and all that. Okay, so we're going to click. Oh, nice! It very kindly explains itself for us a little bit. Next. Okay, come on, you. It's thinking. Give it a minute. I'm going to pause this. So, more cert errors. We need to view the certificate, then accept the certificate. And view, accept. And there. We saw the composer window. Okay, so there's this. View storage accelerator could not be verified due to invalid username or password. Interesting. Back. Okay, so we've got our storage. Okay, we got our view composer. It ran ahead too fast. Interesting. So our view composer. Since you do not use view composer, click next to install the storage window. Okay. Okay, it went too fast. Storage. Default storage options. Invalid username or password. Okay, interesting. Maybe I need to go back a step. On the other hand, the fact that it got that cert tells me it should have worked. Storage. Username or password. So that kind of looks like what we see here. Okay, we're just going to keep going. Ready to complete. Do not use the composer yet. We did not enable the accelerator. Okay, it did not like that. So I've got to go back. Wonder if it's a capital. Okay. Is there a space there? Okay. Next. Okay. Back. Next. Okay, no. Hold on, I'm going to try to log into the vCenter server right quick to make sure I'm not going nuts. Okay, so I misspelled vSphere. I finally noticed that. Do in fact pass. No, that's still wrong. Okay, vSphere. Good grief. Let me try this one more time. Repeat. And almost looks like there's a space here. Next. Okay, that worked. Go to storage. Storage options. I can see my storage accelerator. Ready to complete. Oh, okay, so the password is now a passphrase because there's a space between password and the exclamation point. That's actually something that vCenter can support. We haven't talked about it much, but it can support passphrases as well as passwords. Fail, do you username or password? Doesn't make sense. Composer. It told me it liked it. Next. 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 Come on. Please work. Well, it hasn't failed yet, so maybe this is a good sign. So, okay, maybe it wasn't a passphrase after all. We shall see. All right, so now we have our vCenter server added to our horizon. Let me see. So we got default storage there. And that's it. This is all we really need to do. We will deal with other aspects of this in a bit. So basically, you make some storage selections, you make sure your password is right, and boom, you got it right here. And I can click Edit. Notice that I've got my vCenter servers. Okay. Okay. I have no security servers. I have no connection servers. So really, I'm missing some important pieces of this puzzle. This is the connections. Actually, oh, this is my connection server. Silly me, right here. So I know about myself. I have no security servers because I've got no DMZ and nothing in it. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep going.